Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the different types of slots available in the Solidworks environment. Here is the slot menu. Straight slot, it will draw the straight slot along the straight line. Click on the first point and on the second point, and the slot will start drawing on around that line or around those 2 points. Whenever you click again, the slot will be drawn. Same like that again, 1 point and the second point, and the slot sticks with the cursor. Wherever you click, the slot will be finished. The second is the center point slot. It basically draws around the point as in a center point line. When you click, the same like it stick with the cursor, and wherever you click again, the slot will be drawn. The third one is the 3-point arc slot. You have to select the first point and the second point, and you have to define the radius, how much radius you want. Third point, and now the slot is stick with the cursor. Wherever you want, you click and the slot will be drawn. And the last slot point is the center point arc slot. Same like that, first point and the starting point of the slot and the finish point, and the cursor stick on the slot, and wherever you click again, the slot will be finished. These are the 4 types of different slots available in the sketching environment of the Solidworks.